All right, YouTubers out there, this is WordTech. This is the final iteration of the wireless LED amulet project. And here you go. You can see that it's flashing on this induction coil here for charging phones. So how did I go about doing it? Well, let's just go through the beginning here. I needed to create a resin crystal holder like this, and it's kind of hard to see, but what I had to do was remove one of the arms, because every time I tried to push a crystal into it, another clear resin part, it would break. And so what I ended up doing was, in Blender, I just created little arms here with a little stud on there, and then there's the corresponding hole on this one, which is of course hard to see, but it's in there. And once the crystal was in, then you could glue the arm on there and that would complete it. So here's kind of a transition example right here. You can kind of see the LED in there, and we can put it on the piece here so you can see it a little clearer. So that's basically the configuration. So I did file down the crystal print so that it would accommodate the LED right there. But basically that's about it. Now, what I wanted to do was I printed the metal part in black. There's a reason for it. And of course, it's obvious why I wanted to pick clear for the crystal. But what I did was I used this. This is a kind of a wax paint that you use. And I think it makes the highlights pop pretty good. Now, got to keep in mind that this is my first time through. I could probably do a little better job. I thought the ends of the arms should be more metallic because they would be worn a little bit more by wearing it. Anyway, so what I find is that if you look at it, I mean, it's pretty good. It flashes, but you can see in daylight it's just not that impressive. So what I'm going to do is the next project is going to use something a little brighter. So I have a LED here that uses a 9-volt battery. Same basic principle. What I'd like to do is take that shape of LED and use Blender to basically make a cavity for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bisect the file itself right down that way, and then make a negative for the light bulb and the wires. I should say the LED and the wires. And then I can cover it up with a leather strap for it. So that's about it. That's the next project, because I think that would be more impressive in illuminated areas. And I know that there are even brighter ones out there, so I can always upgrade it. So that's where I'm at right now. I think this is complete. Looks pretty good. It's pretty solid. So, but I think it's time to go a little brighter. Anyway, that's it. Thanks. Bye.